Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over three concepts: the ID tag, the .getElementById built-in function, and the .innerHTML function. We'll first set up some HTML code here so that it prints hello on the web page. If you're curious about the HTML code, I linked it to the top right of this video. Now we'll type document.getElementId. Please note that it's case sensitive. What this does is look for an HTML tag that contains the dismiss tag. In this case, body contains the dismiss tag. Next, what the .innerHTML extension does is target the object or things outside of the tags. In this case, we'll target hello. Lastly, we'll set an equal sign and have the entire document change to display goodbye. Thank you for watching.